Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we dig into the nitty-gritty of the latest gadgets. And today we're taking a closer look at a versatile and compact solution that promises to tackle both your car's interior and tire inflation needs. The Car Vacuum Cordless and Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 2-in-1. It's designed to make your life easier by providing both vacuuming and inflation functions in a single tool. The question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This 2-in-1 device combines a powerful car vacuum and a tire inflator, offering the convenience of both functions in one portable, cordless package. The tire inflator reaches a maximum pressure of 150 psi, and with its 12,000 pH suction, it ensures that your car's interior stays clean while also keeping your tires properly inflated. It features 4 preset modes, including options for bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and even sports balls, with a quick inflation capability that can boost a tire from 33 psi to 38 psi in under 1 minute. For cleaning, the vacuum is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor that promises deep suction for pet hair, sand, dirt, and other debris from your car's seats, carpets, and hard-to-reach nooks. The included attachments make it easy to tackle tight corners and upholstery, ensuring no spot is left untouched. In terms of performance, the suction power is impressive for a compact device. The 12,000 pH suction is effective for smaller messes, crumbs, and dust that accumulate in your vehicle. It's ideal for detailed interior cleaning, but it's not meant for larger areas, so keep that in mind if you're hoping to vacuum your whole living room or a large floor area. For daily maintenance and quick cleanups, it handles car seats, floor mats, and upholstery with ease. The motor doesn't make an unbearable noise either, so it won't disturb your car rides with excessive sound. The vacuum also includes 2 suction modes, which means you can tailor it to your specific cleaning needs, from precision detailing to more intensive messes. On the inflation side, it's just as handy. The 150 psi max pressure is more than sufficient for most car tires, and the inflation speed is faster than many traditional pumps on the market, pumping up a standard car tire from 33 to 38 psi in just under a minute. That's twice as fast as many other models, which is a real time saver, especially if you're in a hurry. The device's auto stop function adds to the convenience by halting inflation once the desired pressure is reached, so you don't have to worry about overinflating. This can be a game changer for road trips and emergencies when you need to get your tires up to pressure quickly. When it comes to maneuverability, this unit is lightweight and portable, making it easy to handle and store. It fits comfortably in the car's trunk or storage compartments without taking up too much space. And the cordless feature ensures you can move freely without being limited by cord length. However, while it's designed to tackle smaller, more confined areas, the relatively small bin capacity means that you might need to empty it after multiple uses if you're dealing with heavier debris. The battery life is more than enough for a few quick cleanups or inflations, but if you're using the vacuum for extended periods, it may require recharging. In terms of build quality, the materials feel sturdy and durable, though they're not quite as robust as high-end models. The suction power is impressive for the size, but the overall durability may be a concern if you're expecting it to handle heavy-duty, high-traffic cleaning. The attachments are well-designed, providing versatility for a range of tasks, from vacuuming the car's interior to inflating tires or sports equipment. These tools make the device much more adaptable than a typical vacuum or tire inflator. One potential downside to keep in mind is that while it's fantastic for smaller, quick jobs, it's not suited for larger cleaning tasks or extended use. For example, heavy pet hair accumulation on thick carpets may not be fully handled by this vacuum, and the battery can drop off in high power modes if left running for too long. The size, while compact, means that this device is more ideal for occasional use rather than as a primary vacuum for the whole house. In terms of value for money, the combination of a vacuum and tire inflator in one product makes this a highly versatile tool, especially for road trips, camping, or regular car maintenance. It offers strong performance for both suction and inflation at a price point that's competitive when compared to standalone products. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in your car or if you need a portable, multi-purpose device, this model can definitely be a solid investment. However, if you're looking for a more powerful vacuum for full-scale home cleaning, there are other models that will provide better performance on larger areas and carpets. If you're considering alternatives, models like the Black Decker cordless vacuum or the Ryobi One Plus system vacuum and inflator combo might be worth looking into, particularly if you're prioritizing stronger suction or larger capacity for home cleaning. These alternatives typically offer higher suction power and more durable builds, but they may not match the convenience or compact size of this dual-purpose device. However, if portability and versatility are what you're after, this model might just be the sweet spot for your needs. The maintenance side of things is straightforward. The bin empties easily, and the filter can be cleaned with minimal effort. The hose and brush roll are also easy to clear of debris, even long hair or pet hair, which is often a problem with other vacuums. There's no major concern about longevity based on initial impressions, but like all cordless devices, it's important to follow the maintenance instructions to keep the battery and motor in optimal condition. Customer support from the brand is typically responsive, and this product comes with a 1-year warranty, which adds some peace of mind. If anything goes wrong within that time frame, you can expect prompt assistance to resolve the issue. At the end of the day, this 2-in-1 car vacuum and tire inflator offers solid performance for what it is: a portable, versatile tool that combines vacuuming and inflation in one package. It's perfect for people who need to clean up small messes in their car and keep their tires in top condition. For the price, it delivers good value, especially when compared to buying a separate vacuum and inflator. However, if you're looking for heavy-duty vacuuming or high-volume tire inflation, you might need to consider other specialized options. All in all, if you want a compact, portable, and reliable solution for car cleaning and tire maintenance, this model is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you've already used this product, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an update from Reviewsinsidetv. Goodbye for now. Clean your car, inflate your tires, and stay safe out there.